Hello, here is some good news. RCI has invited application for DTISL course, Diploma in Teaching Indian Sign Language. The course aims to prepare deaf teachers to teach Indian Sign Language in various institutions and provide leadership in the sign language teaching field. This is a diploma level course recognized by the Rehabilitation Council of India. The course duration is 2 years. The intake capacity of the program will be 20 seats. A candidate should have certificate of disability proving deaf. Also, they must have passed 12th or equivalent with minimum 45% marks. However, relaxation and the percentage of marks at the 12th examinations for the reserved categories is to be strictly followed as per the policy of the state or central government. The candidate must have proficient receptive and productive skills in ISL. Registration link is shown below. Please remember to enter valid mail ID and phone number. Let's see the required documents checklist. 3 latest colored photograph, tenth mark sheet and certificate, original plus 1 self-attested copy. Twelfth mark sheet and certificate, original plus 1 self-attested copy. The fees for the course is Rs 29,000. First year fees Rs 90,000 should be paid at the time of interview. Aadhaar card, original plus 1 self-attested copy. Caste certificate, SC, ST, OBC, EWS or OEC. Original plus 1 self-attested copy. Disability certificate, original plus 1 self-attested copy. UDID card or UDID enrollment number, original plus 1 self-attested copy. So, we have seen the checklist. Please remember to bring the original documents and self-attested copies at the time of admission. Next, we have DISLI. The Diploma in Indian Sign Language Interpretation aims to train professional quality interpreters for people who are deaf and hard of hearing. The diploma will enable the trainees to acquire knowledge, skills, and competencies in interpreting Indian Sign Language into other spoken languages and vice versa. The duration of the course is 2 years. The program has an intake capacity of 20 students. Those who apply for the course at NISH should have passed higher secondary or its equivalent with minimum 50% marks. However, there is a relaxation in the percentage of marks at the 12th examinations for the reserved categories to be strictly followed as per the policy of the state or central government. The candidate should have verbal fluency in any regional language and or English. Registration link is shown below. Please remember to enter valid mail ID and phone number. The required documents checklist: 3 latest colored photograph, tenth mark sheet and certificate, original plus 1 self-attested copy, 12th mark sheet and certificate, original plus 1 attested copy. The fee for this course is Rs 29,000. First year fees Rs 90,000 should be paid at the time of interview. Aadhaar card, original plus 1 self-attested copy. Caste certificate SC, ST, OBC, EWS or OEC, original plus 1 self-attested copy. Please remember to bring the original documents and self-attested copies at the time of admission. Important dates for both the courses. Let's see the important dates for both the courses. Call for application through NISH website 15 May to 13 June 2024. Interview is on 14 June 2024. Verification of data of admitted students by using mobile and email OTP 21 to 27 June 2024. Declaration of course-wise and institute-wise list of admitted candidates on RCI website 8 July 2024. Generation of PRN number to all the admitted candidates by NBER RCI 9 to 11 July 2024. Commencement of classes 12th July 2024. So you have seen the important notifications regarding DTISL and DISLI. Please do share this video. Thank you.